Hours after two Indian soldiers were brutally killed by the Pakistani army in Mendhar district, Times now reports from the line of control in Pooch, Rajouri sector, bringing you first-hand account of the situation from ground zero.
In the wake of the brutal killing of two Indian soldiers by Pakistan, the uneasy calm persists at the line of control as darkness engulfs the area. Times Now news crew reporting from the line of control to get you the truth behind these barbed wires.
Following this barbaric incident, already alert has been sounded on line of control. Patrolling has been intensified. Jawans have been asked to scan each and every inch to foil any kind of an infiltration attempt from across the border. Already there is information that large number of militants are waiting on the launch pads across the border, waiting for an opportune moment to sneak into this site.
Just 3 hours after our news crew came in the line of fire, as Pakistani army resorted to unprovoked firing from nearby posts to facilitate infiltration of terrorists.
I am right now in the area which is overlooking the Pakistani post, and you see the peace on border is once again shattered, and Pakistani troops have opened heavy volume of gunfire. This is not for the first time. In the past also, we have seen that several such incidents have taken place. Pakistani troops are trying to provide the cover fire to the infiltrating terrorists.
During the last 1 year, 71 incidents of ceasefire violations have been reported. 9 persons, including 6 Army and BSF Jawans, have been killed and 15 others, including 12 security men, have been injured. Temperature further dips to sub-zero. Taking no chance, some of the soldiers lay an ambush at several points.
Besides intense patrolling, the ambush is laid at several points to plug various traditional infiltration routes. Idea is to timely detect and also foil any sneak-in attempt from across the border.
While our news crew was at the line of control, Pakistan violated the ceasefire several times. After so many unprovoked attacks by Pakistan, isn't this the right time to name and shame Pakistan globally? Bureau Report, Times Now.